Hello and welcome to everybody out there in YouTube land. My name is Lorne. This is my garage, and this is my wife's 1975 Blazer that we picked up in April of this year. It's undergoing some pretty extensive work. As you can see right here, I've got a bedside in place for the time being, test fitting everything. Back of the truck looks more like a workbench slash storage area. Anyway, so a lot has been happening since April of last year. I haven't made any videos prior to this one, so, well, not really anyway, a bunch of test stuff, but other than that, this is pretty much my first YouTube video, so bear with me. This right here is the original engine that came with the Blazer. I did check the numbers on the block, and it is original to the year of the truck, so I can assume, I'm just going to assume, that it's original to the truck. Anyhow, it's undergone some pretty extensive work. It's been cleaned, primed, painted. A lot of things were missing. Since that time, I've cleaned them up, replaced them, what have you. I do have a video of the first time I fired this up in its original form from when I bought the truck, and needless to say, it sounds a lot different now than it did on its initial startup. 350 4-bolt main. It's got a replacement cam in it. When I did the first fire up and compression test and so forth, the results were not that great. It had a couple of wiped lobes on the cam, so naturally the next phase of the resurrection of the engine was to replace the camshaft, and I did that with a cam I picked up off of Rock Auto. It's a Melling brand. I can't remember exactly what the specs are off the top of my head. I'd have to look into that and get back to you. It has the Melling hydraulic lifters. The carburetor on it is a Rochester 4-barrel off of my 72 Buick Skylark Custom that I rebuilt some time ago. I haven't really done anything with the carburetor other than while it was on the engine, I started it up a few times here and there before I put it onto the 350 that you see here in order to do the cam break-in, which I'm not gonna lie, for the first time having to do something like that since post-COVID, there's been a lot of talk on break-ins going poorly and lobes getting wiped out. So needless to say, I was a bit nervous, but the break-in was successful, and this thing sounds absolutely great. I don't think the videos pick up, well, the GoPro video, I don't think it picks up the sound of the engine quite as good as it sounds in person. But, let's plug it in. Just my little makeshift here of a starter wire, a power wire, this wire,